The virtual concept car, designed to appear in Gran Turismo, uses the V6 from Ferrari's new Le Mans competitor and 3 electric motors. Virtual concept cars are all the rage these days. We've seen fully digital Vision Gran Turismo designs from the likes of Jaguar, McLaren, Audi, and more. Now, Ferrari is finally stepping up with a Vision Gran Turismo of its own. Titled simply the Ferrari Vision Gran Turismo, the fully virtual concept car is a center-position single-seater race car designed specifically to appear in PlayStation's series of Gran Turismo video games. Ferrari says it uses an even more potent version of the twin-turbo V6 powering the company's newest Le Mans competitor, the 499P, along with 3 electric motors, 1 for the rear axle and 2 for each front wheels. Thanks to a lack of real-world sporting regulations, total output is an incredible 1,336 horsepower. And that's not all. From the release, the body shell of the Ferrari Vision Gran Turismo appears as it's suspended over the flat, carbon fiber underbody which incorporates all the car's technical components, thus giving purity to the shape. The chassis is designed to emphasize the car's lateral dynamics in on-the-limit handling. The powertrain layout guarantees an optimal front-rear weight balance and an extremely low center of gravity to the benefit of the AWD. The elastokinematic suspension setup was developed around the performance characteristics of the tires used in Gran Turismo together with the car's aerodynamic balance, the aim being to guarantee superlative performance on both tortuously winding city circuits and traditional endurance racetracks. According to Ferrari, it's used its experience in Formula One to ensure the battery for the electric motors is always in a full state of charge, whether you're setting an ultra-fast qualifying lap or doing a handful of consecutive laps at once.